the Shire's green, winds whistling soft, smoke rings in the morning like sweet never lost. Stepping out the door, past the mortal grooves, feet tap the beat, miss the treacherous moves. Withers rise high, flows like violin strings, mine up the one ring, shadow creeps and clings. Bells raging, drums pound, we ascend. Friendship ties tighter, beats never end. Sounds journey, hearts strong, beats align. Hobbit heroes, destinies intertwine. Onto Sherlock's lair, shadows thick as ink. Frodo's in danger, hearts fast, don't blink. Trumpet bass and blades, fears we disarm. Wrap my courage tight, rub my scabbard's arm. Strings of cello deep, beats echo within. Vast lands we traverse, foe and friend akin. Bells raging, drums pound, we ascend. Friendship ties tighter, beats never end. Sounds journey, hearts strong, beats align.